In this video, we will introduce you to the deep mode of the Goldengate Plus 3D. We have found a shelf 90 centimeters above the ground and dug a pocket. We will place a 20 by 20 centimeter metal object inside this pocket, and we will watch the Goldengate Plus 3D detect it. As you can view on the screen, the ground consists of red mineral-rich soil. These types of soils, just like beach sand, are tough grounds for metal detection. Currently, the device is getting no signal. Now we are showing the metal to the detector, and the device senses it right away. Then we place the metal on the ground, and again the device easily detects it at 90 centimeters depth, despite the high mineral levels in this soil. Please keep in mind that the Goldengate Plus 3D is designed to perform well on different types of soils and ground conditions. Now we will introduce you to the high mineral mode of the Goldengate Plus 3D. As all detector users know, detectors lose depth and get false signals, which we refer to as noise, in highly mineralized grounds. Nocta Engineering has used a special filter in the Goldengate Plus 3D that minimizes noise and depth loss. When using the high mineral mode, please note that you can pinpoint the target by making shorter and faster scans over the target. Now the user will place the gold coin he is holding inside the hole. The hole is about 35 centimeters deep. After he places the coin, we fill up the hole and bury the gold coin. The user selects the high mineral mode in the search mode menu. Then he does the ground balance. Now he starts searching. As you can see, the Goldengate Plus 3D detects the target. To find the center of the target, the user moves the coil over the target with shorter and faster sweeps, and determines the point where the device gets the strongest signal. The Goldengate Plus 3D accomplishes the task successfully. It detects a coin in highly mineralized ground with minimal depth loss at 35 centimeters. Now we will give you more information about the deep search mode of the Goldengate Plus 3D. If the search ground is highly mineralized, or if it is not level, the device may pick up a lot of noise. In such a situation, you may decrease the noise by increasing the threshold setting of the device. However, this will result in some loss of depth. So the user will now show you how to make a distinction between the noise signals and the target signals if you do not increase the threshold setting. As you can hear, the device is getting some noise, meaning false signals right now. But the user ignores these signals and continues his search, as he is familiar with the noise tone and the signals are inconsistent. But now the background noise changes in pitch. As the user sweeps the coil over the area more, the signals become stronger and more consistent, indicating metal detection. If you look closely, you can see that there is a metal object on the ground. So with the Goldengate Plus 3D, you always have an option to make deep detections with lower threshold settings and without losing depth in highly mineralized grounds. Now the user is placing the coin inside the hole. and we fill up the hole. As you can hear, the device picks up noise and false signals again. But as the user sweeps the coil over the target, the noise changes in pitch and the signals become very consistent and strong. Now the user moves the coil away from the target and checks the signal again. As you can hear, the signals are now very inconsistent. Now he moves the coil over the target again and gets a constant and strong signal. This is basically how you make a distinction between a noise signal and a target signal when using the deep detection mode. Now the user will detect a coin buried at 30 centimeters depth. You can currently see the depth of the hole on the screen. We fill up the hole. First, the user will make the detection with a low threshold setting, so the device will pick up some noise. Now he is over the target, and as you can see, the device easily detects the metal buried at 30 centimeters depth. Now the user is increasing the threshold to eliminate the noise. The device is not picking up any false signals anymore. As the user moves the coil over the target, the device starts getting a constant signal. The Goldengate Plus 3D detects the metal easily at higher threshold settings.